What we got is...
Yeah, alright, it's time to get our gears whirring, to get our cogs whirring, to get our brains turning. Are we ready? Yeah. Come on guys, tell me, are we ready? Yeah! Alright. No, can't you see the CCTV on every corner of the street? Some are hidden in plain sight while others try to be discreet, but they're there, only there to make you feel scared. Get this populace prepared for the mental warfare illuminate. I spy with my little eye, the smoke screen serves in disguise. Queen of the hive mind system design. Force red lines and told you into line. Presence, follow the signs to realign with your essence. Those on the right path grow effervescent, while those on the TV grow into peasants. Present, only way to learn life's lessons. Transmitted process, subconscious notice. I cannot be the only one to have noticed. Notice, seems like Nanny got noticed. I don't control from the decks that she floats. Seems like a pyramid scheme, wink wink if you know what I mean. Wake up here or get trapped in the dream. Following the orders sent to your screen like neurolinguistics. Studies in programming, just a statistic. Slip through the data strip, sheep takes the biscuit. When you see what's happening, painted as a misfit and kicked out for questioning. This is indoctrination, education. Most of it lies providing no information. Frustration, we need more information. School just a tool to create brain degradation. Calcification, conspiracies and falsifications, running out of patience, witnessing the dumbing down of global populations, but of the global populations,
Yo, face matter of fact, panic attacks are back. Put back in the monster rack, the slack, trapped in the abstract. Start seeing the cracks in the pitch black. Easy picture on the magazine rack, the little pack. And that's until you get with jack, I fight back. All the words I talk is the rap, it's not an act. Keep my soul intact to relax the exact tracks and the track to attract to create an impact. What's more?
So it's hard to keep up with this world that we're living. Take a look around, clear to see it fitting in. Kids are aware, stuff their senses been written. Repackaged lifestyle, latest they're shipping in. And people come with boxes, they want you to stick them in. All there to see, but only if you're listening. Try to stay clear of the winds that they're pissing in. True to yourself will always make you a dissident. Truth to a beat for your listening convenience. Hope that these words inspire civil disobedience. Work on your confidence, which builds from experience. Meaningful coincidence, growing from your influence. And pull the rabbit from the hat. Real life, day-to-day magic, that's where it's at. Stepping out to this grind, raise your awareness, tune into the vibe. Cause life's a mystery, you'll never know what you'll find. Miracles on sidewalks, all state of mind, 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 all state of mind.
What we try build, we're not showing the pennies where we try build to bring your truth, cause we don't share. We try build, we're not showing the pennies where we try build. You have been listening to Shamanic beatbox. And the noisy parrot.
Alright, we got more. What do you want? Give me some sort of dubstep beat. Yo. Check, yo. Like this, with a little bit of practice, crack this, witness, reminisce, Christmas, think this, smash the cactus, jack smack this, black this, this, cause I'm this, screw this little bit, learn it, use it, never gonna transmit on bitch, split with, refuse it, suspend to the pretense, get tense, hence, doesn't make sense of the nonsense, got a number with a sixth sense when I commence, with the defense of events, ideally, really, apparently, feature my key mentality, I've got clarity, inherently, rarely, I'm not assigned to sincerely, remember this place for your prosperity, go into a place with the blue weed therapy, there will be many enemies, and before me, all got on top of me, there's no stopping me, reach, can never be cheese, on feet, on New York City, these all not evil, aim and a stay retrieval, make this legal.
Let's make this legal.
What do you want? Cool, I got this. Check. What?
Oh yeah,
Okay. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. I'm a shamanic, a magic filibuster, casting spells upon society, then get it into a fluster. I design my rhymes to interact with neural clusters, inseminating ideas, let's see what new thoughts we can muster. Spiritual and the lyrical always be intertwined like a vine trying to run, supposed to reach the light, and I'll be symbiote, or I'll be parasite. It all depends, my friends, on how we choose to use our sight, and we can choose to use our thoughts to rearrange matter. Looking deep inside the static, you will always find a pattern. Significance in numbers of the movements of Saturn. I don't know, but know the thoughts will often tell you what's gonna happen. Whatever's out there, it's all in here. It's all what you create, so there's no need to fear, no need to be angry, no need to be scared, cause this entire reality is what your conscious mind's prepared. You choose to be happy, to live every single day in this great cosmic game you've been invited to play. And every thought that you project, every word that you say, there's an entire universe out there for you to create. But yet we make the mistake of getting stuck on the negative, capacitating thoughts are acting as a sedative, when empowering yourself should be your only imperative. Let that ego guilt trip go, after all it's all relative, cause perception to define my objective, which is subjective. There's never been a standard perspective amongst this collective, and that's not meant to be corrected. Nah, that's not meant to be corrected, cause humans are riddled with illusions, looking at life through the lens of delusion. TV sets blaring out a blatant confusion, fit manipulates us with social inclusion. We get no conclusion from short-sighted head states, then back to what's real. Learn from my mistakes, I know how you feel, cause we're all feeling misplaced. Society's machines leave us with a distaste for shit, mate. Politicians mainly seem to piss make life hard for those of us who like to risk take on the fringes, living life outside of the norm, thinking freely, not just a part of the swarm, conflicted interest. Man, you can be sure that the talks when you're cold, it's only instinct to return to the warmth, your clothing's worn, sewing in the patches of your dreams, worth of your life by the world that you've seen. The worth of your life by the world that you've seen.
Instead of jogging, talking like a zombie, eating out the window of a there's a rules that look like what they think can't change. Back with the exchange through no money, no fear, self-sustained. Actually, your way to figure out what it is we are saying to you. It's a metaphor, poets to a flavor, to inspire the choice in favour of a free world. And I'm never gonna stop till I rest in peace. Just cease to reach limits, no peace. Breakfast for weeks, stepping up to reclaim the streets. Cause it's bittersweet. Admit the fear, be discreet. I choose to run my lips and let my feet as I move from the street to street and I need to breathe. Some in a rhyme, spin it to the beat. Walking, talking, piece of me. All I want is something to eat. I'm stuck as a slave to the belief. You better keep your receipt. What? You better keep your receipt. Yeah. Hello. Well, what's going on with my mic? Are you all no. 1, 2, I don't know, we're in and out. I want to say thank you. You are a beautiful crowd, and it's a pleasure to actually play.
Hey guys,
thank you. I hope you all have a good time.
thank you so much.
We rolling. Alright, yeah, go on. Yeah. Yeah, that's side trolls.